Hi, and welcome back to my channel, where I'm documenting my weight loss journey on the Optavia 5-in-1 program. Today, I have a real treat for you guys. I have a mini waffle bowl maker by Dash, and we are going to make French silk pies. So what are we going to need to make our French silk pies? And I say pies plural because we are going to be making 2 of them. So the first thing we're going to need is our golden butterscotch blondie mix. And that is going to be our crust. And we're going to make that in our Dash waffle bowl maker. For the filling, we are going to use the chocolate fudge pudding mix. So we'll prepare that, and I'm using my scale to divide up each of these fillings so that we get them exact. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix up the pudding. I've got my 1/2 cup of cold water. Try to get equal portions of the prepared pudding. That says 2.5 ounces. Let's get another one. Oh boy, I'm way off. Okay, that's why you measure things. All right, so that's 2. So we want it to be about 2.2. That's 2.2. Okay, now let's see what this one is now. 2.2. All right, so we have our equal portions of pudding. And now the fun part. We're going to prepare our golden butterscotch blondie mix. And you do that with 3 tablespoons of cold water. Okay, now for the fun part. We're going to make our waffle bowls. I'm gonna spray the waffle maker so it doesn't stick. And hopefully this will all work out. So I'm gonna try to put it like pretty much dead center there so that when I squish this down, should rise up on the side. This waffle bowl maker is just like the regular Dashes. The light goes out when it's heated up. Oh, wow. Oh, there we go. Ah. All right, I just put it in here because I'm eventually gonna be putting this in the freezer. So I'll use one of my puddings, and I don't know if you can see what I'm doing here. In the freezer, and if you've noticed, I didn't use any condiments. Now, when this is, I'm gonna put it in the freezer for about an hour, and then I will probably put on some fat-free Ready Whip on the top. And that would be a condiment. But you don't have to. You could have this fueling just plain. All right, let's try it again.
You got me begging, pretty please. I'm so hung up on you. I couldn't tell you what it feels like.
That might work a little better. Oh, yes, this one is much better.
You got me begging, pretty please.
The other one, I cooked this one for about, I would say about a minute and a half. And I only did this one for about a minute and it wasn't done enough. So, all right, we'll pop these in the freezer and show you the finished product in about an hour. I just got our French silk pie out of the freezer, and I don't know if you can see, it's got the waffle crust, and I've got my fat-free Ready Whip for one condiment. I'm gonna squirt that on there, and voila! Doesn't this look delicious? Thank you for watching my video on how to make our French silk pie, and stay tuned for more recipes and fueling hacks to come. And please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and see you next time.